Hello children, once again Samarpita ma'am is back with new words to learn. What is this? A cup. This is a mug. What is the middle sound in these words? It's a. Today we are going to learn the words with a sound. Let's go.
A sound words. Children, can you see what is this picture? This is the picture of a bud. Let us now learn the spelling of bud. B, a, d, bud. Oh, what is this picture? This is a pig. Where is the pig? The pig is in the mud. Let us now learn the spelling of mud. M, a, d, mud. Wow, what a bright colored insect. What is this called? This is called a bug. What is the spelling of bug? B, a, g, bug. It's summertime. You must be thirsty and want to have some juice. Where is the juice kept? It is kept inside the jug. Let us learn the spelling of the word jug. J, a, g, jug. What is this? This is a chewing gum. I know you all love to eat chewing gum, but that is not good for your teeth. Let us learn the spelling of gum. G, a, m, gum. Children, you are now grown up. After few days, you will know how to do a sum. It is a sum. Let us learn the spelling of sum. S, a, m, sum. What a fresh looking bun. We all love to eat bun. Let us now learn the spelling of bun. B, a, n, bun. Oh, this is a smiling sun who is giving a nice bright smile to all of you. Let us now learn the spelling of sun. S, a, n, sun. Mama and Papa loves to drink hot tea and coffee from a cup. Let us all learn the spelling of cup. K, a, p, cup. What a cute looking pup. A baby dog is called a pup. Let us learn the spelling of pup. P, a, p, pup. Children, what is this? This is the picture of hat. Let us learn the spelling of hut. H, a, t, hut. Yummy and crunchy nut. Let us learn the spelling of nut. N, a, t, nut. Children, how do you come to school? Some of you come to school by car and some of you come to school by bus. Let us learn the spelling of bus. B, a, s, bus.
Now, children, let's revise the words we have learned today. B, a, d, bud. A, d, mud. B, a, g, bug. J, a, g, jug. S, a, some. G, a, gum. B, a, bun. S, a, sun. K, a, p, cup. P, a, p, pup. H, a, t, hut. N, a, t, nut. B, a, s, bus. Children, please revise all the words you have learned so far and keep yourself safe and healthy. Bye bye for today.